Yes, class 12 CBSE students, how are you all? Am I
So
all
good.
excellent?
Good, sir.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you so much. And so in the last class, we were discussing about the English writing section. The English writing section that has been included in grade 12 CBSE till date has numerous topics. I would just give you an overview once again so that we can proceed. Number 1, notice writing. Number 2, poster. Number 3, advertisements. Number 4, debate. Number 5, speech. Number 6, formal letters. Number 7, biodata. Number 8, article writing. Number 9, report writing. And number 10, formal and informal invitation. Formal and informal invitation. Okay. So these are the 10 topics in front of you. So students, I, Tarun sir, would keep you updated and posted because we haven't received anything related to the curriculum till date. We have no guidelines that how we got to proceed. Till now, we just have this information that we have to take care of 100% course. In case if we receive any message from the board, we would be teaching accordingly. So till now, we would be covering all the topics until further notice. So what were we doing in the previous class? Anyone?
Poster writing. Poster writing.
We were doing poster writing. Now see, we completed one poster. And can anyone tell me what was the theme of that poster? What was the
Informal posters.
informal posters? Okay, fine. And what was the question? Can anyone read it out? What question did I give you in the last class?
Sir, draft a poster in less than 50 words. You are the in charge of GPS school. Jamshedpur, your school is organizing a health club for all. Give necessary details.
Thank you so much. Now see, we won't call that as an informal poster, but it is nothing related with a message. So you get posters of two types, that is related to school, college, fete, exhibition. And these posters are actually society related posters. In maximum cases, you will find a question coming up from this segment. These are message throwing posters. Donate your eyes for the blind and help them see the world. Thus your eyes will see even after you will be no more. Oh. What an emotional dialogue. For more information, contact your nearest eye bank, eye specialist. So very simple. Sober poster carries 3 marks. It is of 3 marks. So please note it down. Everyone note it down, and then I'll give you a question related to blood donation. You will have to follow the same format, or you can add a box or some kind of an image, but don't draw anything when it comes to message throwing posters. That is against the ethics. See, they have drawn these eyes because it is suitable to the topic. So only draw those things that suits to the topic. Only write those things that are formal, professional, and that stick to the topic. So kindly draw this, be quick. And then I would be giving you a question.